welcome back to ET Studios, powered by ET Auto. We're coming to you live right here from the Bharat Mobility Global Expo 2025 in New Delhi. Joining me now is Upkar Singh Ahuja. He's the MD at NewsOne. Mr. Ahuja, welcome. It's a pleasure to have you here in ET Studios.
Thank you. Thanks for inviting me.
Yes, absolutely. So, Mr. Ahuja, just to start with, if you can tell us a little bit about your presence here at the Expo, what were some of the factors that you were looking forward to when it comes to participation?
We are regularly participating at Auto Expo since many years, but every time we come to find new customer and showcase our new products and technology during the expo. This is one of the best, you can say, platform because every OEM, aftermarket, even the suppliers visit us and it is very fascinating.
Yes, absolutely. Is there anything innovative or different that you are showcasing
Like
this
we
time?
are manufacturing oil seals with a Japanese collaboration, and we are exhibiting the new generation oil seals, which are more efficient and leak proof. And also we have launched some e-vehicle XLs. So e-vehicle is the future. So we are trying to grab these technologies, new markets, new products.
Yes, absolutely. As you very rightly say, the pillars really of what we are looking at today is electrification, sustainability, digitization. How would you say these factors are being addressed by companies like yourself?
These factors are very important, and time to time, like we make the core products.
Yes.
Like metal components, oil seals, EV components, and assemblies. So we try to find out what are the new technologies coming into the country and even abroad also. And we keep on upgrading our production and our aligning with that.
Yes, yes, wonderful. What would you say, what's your perspective on India growing on a national as well as international scale as really a leader in the Indian automotive manufacturing sector, but also in innovation in this space?
See, Indian perspective, if you foreign company look at India as a different perspective now.
Yes.
Earlier it used to be the simple component, but now no one can ignore India. Number one, it is one of the biggest market. And second, it will be a very strong manufacturing base in the coming time.
Yes, yes. Exciting times, definitely. And again, of course, sustainable mobility solutions is at the heart of what we are looking at in terms of the evolution in the auto space. There's a lot of government support here as well. How would you say companies are really keeping up with the government expectations and the push for electrification?
See, sustainability and will be one of the key challenge for the Indian industry in the coming time, because a lot of countries, they are putting the sustainability barrier. It is a non-tariff barrier to either to stop the imports also. So I think Indian companies like our companies, we are doing a lot for renewable energy, for water recycling, so that we can keep pace with the international standards.
Yes, 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 definitely. What would you say are some of the key trends today, perhaps something you are forecasting in the Indian auto manufacturing space?
These are trends are like e-vehicles, electrification, then high-end products, innovative products, where we can improve the life of the vehicles. So like for a few of the components, we are working that how we can improve the life of the vehicles. And next is recyclable products. That the most of the product should be recyclable, so that those can be eco-friendly. Otherwise, there will be a dump ground for the old vehicles, or if we are not able to recycle.
Yes, yes, absolutely. Where do you think India stands today when it comes to these trends that we will be seeing in the future?
I think Indian companies are quite active in this, and I met many companies. Everybody is working on sustainability and recyclability.
Yes, all right, wonderful. Thank you, Mr. Ahuja. Thank you so much for being here on ET Studios and sharing all your insights. It's been a pleasure.
Thank you very much.